Hello there, welcome back to another video here on Woke Professor Tutorials. My name is Franny. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's tutorial, we will be learning how to customize your Techweb tiles. Techweb is Oregon Tech's intranet, as opposed to internet or open website. It's an internal system for keeping files, information, and logins to programs we frequently use like Canvas, Outlook, and other more specialized applications. There are many tools buried in the depths of Techweb. You can find these by keyword searching or browsing, but you can also edit what your home screen looks like to pin the most useful ones to the front. This is similar to how you might customize the home screen on your cell phone. For instance, you can hide links that you don't use very much and put links you use all the time in an easy-to-find place. Let's get started. First, navigate to techweb.oit.edu. Then, you'll be able to review your current set of Techweb tiles. Look at them and see if there are any things on here you would like to get rid of that you don't use very much. So for instance, I still have one for instructional request and remote delivery resources. These were buttons added during COVID when we moved to fully online. And not only do I not need them, we don't have an instructional designer right now to answer these requests anyway. So I'm going to delete these two. I also don't have access to Banner, despite it being a shortcut here, and we don't use Fast anymore. So I'm going to definitely delete those four. Then decide what you want to add. So you can search for individual resources through this bar. So for instance, I can navigate to DocuSign, our e-signing platform, by typing it in. But I think I would really like to add a shortcut because I have to look at it all the time. If you want a complete list of everything you could possibly add, there's a little link here that says View All Links by Category. And if we go there, you can access a little bit of information overload. Every possible tile you could add. So having already reviewed this, I know that I want to also add Inspire, which is our advising platform, and Common Forms and Applications, which is a shortcut to forms from the registrar's office. But if you're doing this yourself, you should review these options, poke around. You can't hurt anything by clicking on them and see what might be useful to you. Okay, to customize this, we will click on the link that says Customize Personal Links right here below the search bar. This will let you remove items and add items. So to remove them, I'm going to I'm not allowed to remove this one, which doesn't really make any sense because it's not being used for anything anymore. But I will remove some of these other ones. Okay, we're going to uncheck Banner. We're going to uncheck Historic Fast Finance. I never use that. We're going to uncheck Printing Usage and Submissions, which goes to a print portal I'm not allowed to use anyway. Uncheck Search for Grants. The rest of these can stay. And now I'm going to add some others. So I'm going to use Control F and the Find on Page bar to quickly take me to Inspire Advising. Now it looks like it disappeared when I clicked on it. It actually just jumped to the top of the page to be held in the list of viewable items. I'm going to add Common Forms and Applications. And I'm going to add DocuSign. So now that we're up the top, you can see all the new things I've added have been populated to the end of the list. Now, since I just realized I can't actually delete instructional request or remote delivery resources, at least I can move them to the end of the list so that the links I don't click on are all the way at the bottom. Okay, now I have a list of things that hopefully will be more useful to me. Important. This does not save automatically. In order to save these changes, you have to scroll all the way to the top and select Save Changes. And now, hopefully you can see the difference. I have added 3 links. I've deleted a few and moved the 2 that I'm not using to the end. I'm going to try this for a while and see if I like this organization of tabs. If I don't, I will try moving them around later. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of my channel for other tutorials about Oregon Tech instances of Outlook, Zoom, and other useful workplace tools.